This is the SSR exhaust axle back. Right now I got SSR downpipes. I'm going to start the car to do a before and after video. I don't think I can turn it for you. This is a cold start with the SSR downpipes. So that's a cold start with the downpipes. This is an idle. I'm gonna install the SSR axle back, axle back. It's very nice quality. I'm still waiting on their bracket, which they said they're gonna send up sometime this week. Little bracket missing, but he said it shouldn't affect form, fit, or function. So I'm gonna go ahead. This is how it sounds at idle. Those are, it's just 2 bolts, you see? It's just 2 bolts there and 2 bolts right over there. So 4 bolts in that bracket, 2 bolts, 6 bolts. I'm gonna lift the car up and I'm gonna install these babies myself. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.